Hi, I'm Anthony Imparato, President and owner of Henry Repeating Arms. Today we are going to talk about the Henry Frontier model, where old tradition meets modern performance. The Henry Frontier model is an upgrade from our basic H001 entry-level model. These are known as the T models. They feature Octagon barrels, and they come in a variety of barrel lengths: carbine, rifle, and as much as 24-inch. The Henry Frontier model features a adjustable rear sight and a beaded front sight. The receiver is grooved for easy scope mounting. As is the case with all Henry lever actions, it features the famous smooth Henry lever action and a genuine American walnut stock. A suppressor-ready model is also available, as well as a small game carbine or rifle with peep sights. If you are going to spend your hard-earned money on a Henry, you can expect reliability, quality, award-winning customer service, and my personal lifetime guarantee. And most importantly, Henry Repeating Arms, made in America or not made at all.